Good morning, my dear students and followers. In this video, I am briefly introducing MIDAS regression models. In the literature of econometrics, the concept of MIDAS denotes mixed data sampling regression analysis. This term was coined in 2004 in a famous paper written by Eric Geisels and others in relation to some of the novel work that was done by his students and his colleagues. And for this purpose, at the end of this presentation, I have given the detail of this paper. This is very much helpful in understanding MIDAS regression theory. Briefly, a MIDAS regression model allows us to explain a time series variable which is measured at some frequency as a function of current and lagged values of a variable that is measured at a higher frequency. And I'll give you an example of this. For example, we can have a dependent variable that is measured in quarter terms. That is, the dependent variable is a quarterly time series data, and its regressor, which is measured at monthly or daily frequency. So that kind of regression is known as MIDAS. There can be more than one high frequency regressor as well. It is not necessary that the dependent variable is regressed only on one high frequency regressor. There could be more than one high frequency regressor. Of course, we can also include some other independent variables which are measured at the low, say quarterly frequency, as well as lagged values of the dependent variable itself. So, a MIDAS regression model is a very general type of autoregressive distributed lag model in which high frequency data are used to help in the prediction of a low frequency variable. There have been various important empirical applications of MIDAS models. Some interesting examples include those undertaken by Geisels 2005, 2006 and 2007, followed by Elper et al. 2008, Clements and Galwov 2008 and 2009, and then Geisels and Wright 2009, and finally Pinev et al. 2014. So the seminal work was basically started by Geisels in 2004, and after that a lot of work has been done on MIDAS regression models. There is also an excellent survey paper of MIDAS and related techniques by Foroni and Marcelino 2013, and these are some of the examples, and the paper that I was telling you about is this one, 2004 seminal paper, the MIDAS touch mixed data sampling regression model. That is a working paper which was written by Geisels, Santa Clara and Volkanov. So those who are interested in learning MIDAS regression must definitely read this. And of course, these are all other important papers that have been written on MIDAS. So ladies and gentlemen, this was a brief introduction to MIDAS regression. In the previous video, I have estimated and interpreted one model, and in the coming videos, I would also like to try my level best to come up with some other models based on MIDAS regression model. I hope this was quite interesting and helpful for you. Thanks for your attention. If you haven't yet subscribed to this channel, kindly do subscribe, and do not forget to click on bell icon. Thank you very much. See you in another video.